welcome back to another Farm Fact Friday here in Northwest Ohio. Dust is flying. We are busy in the fields getting things planted. So right now we're in the tractor and we're pulling the Turbo Max, which is basically preparing the ground for the planter to plant the seed. So what I wanted to share with you today is from the perspective of a farm kid. And we've mentioned multiple times how farming is definitely a family thing. When you have a family farm, it involves everyone. So today Cora is riding in the tractor. She's been doing this all afternoon with her dad. So we're going to ask Cora some of the essentials that you need in the tractor. And then also she's gonna share some of the stuff that she gets to do while she's riding in the tractor. So Cora, thanks for being on Farm Fact Friday. Can you tell everyone what's one thing that you make sure you always have when you come in the tractor?
I usually have a pillow. Us kids do not like hard things on our butt.
Yes, so she brings a pillow with her for sitting on, for more comfortable seating. And what else can the pillow be used for?
I can also use it for napping.
Napping. Sometimes she gets a little nap. Along with her pillow, what else do you bring with you in the tractor?
I bring snacks.
Snacks.
I bring nuts, fruit snacks. I bring drinks for me, Mom, and my dad if they go to them.
Yep.
And I bring Chex Mix.
All right. So she's got some food, snacks, and some drinks so that if you do get hungry during that time, got something to fill your tummy. And okay, so a couple essential things to bring with you. And while she's in the tractor, sometimes she has jobs to do. So when the tractor operator is working using auto steer, he's able to scan and see if there's anything in the field. What do you see?
I usually see rocks. Like right now, I might be able to see one.
So they're looking for rocks, and if you find rocks, what happens?
My dad makes me get out and I clean up the rocks and throw them in like a little field thing or the fence row or bring them in the tractor.
Yeah, so pick up the rocks so they don't cause any problems with the implement, so we don't break down. So that's good. All right, if there's no rocks to pick up, what do you do to pass the time?
I use something like a
A marker?
marker.
What in the world do you do with a marker?
It's a dry erase marker, by the way.
Okay.
And I do stuff like write
Hey, come on. So you can write on the window. You can also, what else can you do?
I can play tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe.
And I created him over here.
Awesome. So you can play tic-tac-toe, and you can also even
Right math facts.
do math facts.
8 + 8 = 6.
All right. So if she's not tired and she doesn't have rocks to pick up, she can play games or write or practice math facts on the window with the dry erase marker. So hope you guys enjoyed today's Farm Fact Friday and some of the essentials you should bring in the tractor if you're riding along from a kid's perspective. I hope you have a great rest of your Friday, a wonderful weekend. We'll check you back next Friday for another Farm Fact Friday.